Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be unboxing some metallic spray paints and trying them out on some fabric. I saw them online and I think they would be a really fun addition to any kind of like tie-dye shirts. So I went ahead and ordered them and they arrived. So basically these are just Tulip fabric spray paints. I got these on Amazon and I'll put the link down in the description below for you guys in case you want to check them out too. They say permanent fabric spray paint. It has 7 metallic spray paint. I am excited to try these out. Also, I think that these little spray bottles, hopefully I can reuse them. I think that that would be a very nice bonus. I have a few tutorials on my channel with Tulip dyes, which are pretty good. They're not like professional quality dyes, but if you just want like a quick fun craft, they're great and they're easy to find and very affordable. Okay, so let's open them up and test them out. Okay, so now I have some pieces of fabric that I can use to test them out. I'm just going to quickly cut them apart. So these are 100% cotton. They're just like pieces of old pillowcases. I'm gonna just put some gloves on because I have them. I have no idea how intense this stuff is. Let's start out with the blue metallic. Why not? Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so far away gets you more of a mist, and then you kind of always get like a little bit of that splatter. All right. These might be really good with stencils. So there's blue. See, does this come off of the plastic easily? Yes. I'm gonna get a rag. All right, next let's try purple. I don't know how to not, I think you have to just go really far away if you want it to not splatter, which is a huge mess. Okay, well, good to know. Pretty fun color. It's like very Lisa Frank. Okay, next let's do teal. Okay, this one I'm gonna try to just go up above so that it doesn't splatter too much. I feel like if you're doing something like a shirt, like you might wanna have a practice or like newspaper on the side to like get these sprays going. This one's pretty good. But yeah, again, it's like getting everywhere. So just, okay, we'll do like one little splatter. It takes a little while to get like a handle on any sort of like new art supply. Now let's do some pink. Ooh, pink is intense. This one is a little bit more splattery. I don't know how to get it less splattery. Really high up. Okay. This might be a good thing to do outside. Next, let's do the green. Missed the fabric. Okay, so this one's really a good spray. This one's easier to spray. This one's like the best spray one so far. Very interesting. So I don't know if you guys can see the metallic, but it's pretty metallic. So that's cool. We move on to the gold and the silver, which are probably the ones I'm gonna use the most. Let's do silver. This one sprays nicely. Got a little splatter in there. All right, there's silver. And here's gold. Let's do gold next. Ooh. It's a nice gold. It's not like too yellow. Kind of like a champagne-y gold. There's the gold. Let's do like a multi. Let's see if that looks just like insane. Okay, so let's start with pink.
So for this multi one, I'm going to speed it up a little bit, and I was just trying to get like a nice variety of colors and having it sort of like evenly cover this piece of fabric with no holes. So I just kind of went with it and followed my instincts. And I'd like to take a quick second to ask you to hit that like button. It's free and easy for you to do, and it really helps my channel out. If you're enjoying this video, I have other videos just like it on my channel, and I'll link them at the end of this video. I also have a lot of online classes that are listed on my website, onyxartstudio.com. I'll put the link down in the description for you.
So what I'm going to do is just clean off the nozzles like they said in the directions. I think I'm going to get some good projects out of these. Let me know if you've ever used these before and what you like to use them for. These are really fun colors, I think, especially for like kids stuff. So anyway, now we just wait for these to set. Okay, so it's been at least 24 hours, and the instructions say you only need to leave them for 4 hours, but I just left it because I had a lot going on. But you can see the colors. I think they turned out really nice. They have quite a nice glitter to them. These are still a little bit tacky, the like wet spots, or they're not wet, but the darker spots. This is like the splatters. Here's the pink. Here's the blue, sort of the green color, aqua. The teal is really nice. So these are like really fun, bright colors. I think this would be fun, especially for like a kid's shirt or like stencils. This one's the multi, which is really kind of fun. And then the silver is really nice. It has a very nice sheen to it. I think this would be a really nice like accent to tie-dye on top of tie-dye. Same with the gold. The gold is a very sort of rosy color. It's not too yellow. It's a nice color of gold. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to iron them on my ironing board to set them completely.
So I put down some paper on my ironing board to protect it, and I'm going to put another piece of paper on top to iron. The directions say that you can wash these after 72 hours, and if you were to do a shirt or something, you would want to turn it inside out to wash it. Also, if you're doing a shirt, you'd want to make sure to put a barrier in between the front and the back so that it doesn't bleed through. So here are the swatches after they've been set. The colors are very brilliant, like I've said. Next week, I'm going to do a tutorial, and I'm actually going to be playing with some color mixing and color theory with these to try to tone them down a smidge. Again, if you want to check out these paints, they are linked down in the description box below, and I will see you guys next week. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out these other videos on my channel, and also check out my website for my online dyeing classes. I'm always coming out with new ones and having new dates. So until next time, have fun creating. Bye.